Good morning, everyone. I'm back with another video. This probably will be my last video until probably Monday or Tuesday. I just wanted to say that we are going to have a hurricane, and I live in Florida, so Hurricane Irma will be coming Saturday night, Sunday. So this probably will be my last video until probably next week. And I wanted to tell you how I got prepared for the storm. So, I got some body wash, because me and my boyfriend, were running low. I got some more pads, because they said we're probably going to be without power for, like, a few months, because it's going to be the entire state of Florida, so... we got plenty of food. And there's more food down here. And we got water. I got 2 more bins. So, good on water. We got some more cases down here. Yeah, the water, trying to get water, it was hectic. It was hard to find, and I went to my nearest Walmart, and they were actually giving away 2 bottles, or 2 cases at a time, so I grabbed 2, and then my boyfriend went in there and he got 1, and we got some paper towels, some toilet paper, and then we stocked the fridge with beer and drinks. So yeah, so we are definitely we're definitely getting ready for Hurricane Irma. So we stocked up, so yeah, so that's our preparation for the storm. It's been hectic. It's been very worrisome. Like, we don't know exactly, the category it's going to be, but it's supposed to be pretty bad, so we got our shutters up and we're preparing, and we just hope for the best. And anybody out there that is living in Florida and is going to be going through this in the next few days, I wish you the best. Stay safe, and please knuckle down, take this storm very seriously, and get prepared. So yeah, so I just wanted to make this quick video and talk about my preparations for the hurricane, and we are well prepared, and I just hope for the best. So yeah, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, likes, and subscribe, comment, and thanks for watching. Bye.